Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the model builder, and we're taking the train. Yes, 141R Type Mikado by IXO Collections. As you can see right there, this is number 12 with kits 45, 46, 47 and 48. First one is at the ready right there. And let's have a look at the magazine first. At the depot, turning on the turntable there, don't know what you call it, right next to the new boys. That's a diesel train compared to a coal train. The 141P at SNCF is the rival of the 141R. That one became the rival of. As you can see, we've got a lot of stuff to do with cables this time. And putting them together. I don't think this is going to be a very long one. Connecting the battery box, putting triple A's in there, I think. Then testing the lights, even testing the smoker. And then that is that. Then going on with the cabin. Putting just a few little things on, as you can see right there, and we'll do that in one go. I think we can get that to fruition. Have a look at that. Bus travel and straight to train travel. So let's go to stage 45 in pack 12 and start this beautiful build. As you can see, lights, cables, and there we go. That is the smoker unit. We'll find out. That is the sound unit, or what you call a speaker. We've got a switch and we've got a switch. And then we've got the switch. And then the circuit board. Let's have a quick look. So we're getting that one out. And now we had to have a good look at what cable we need. Oh, G, there's a G on it. G, yeah. But which G do we need? G1, G2, G3. G2 and 1 come together, so these two. It's the wrong one. I need G1. That one. So these come together, it's putting cables together. And after that we put the G on it. Why not make one long one, but alright. And then we put those two together, D and D1. We got D and D1 and all the G's we got together from G2 to G1 to G. And then we've got those three cables to put together. And the other ones we're not doing anything with at the moment. We're getting the next part out, which is the battery box. And these they look like double A batteries. I don't know if I have these here, but let's have a quick look. I think I do. And if this is not enough, we are going downstairs to fetch some new batteries, because I haven't got them here. This is stage 46. It does say double A. And let's have a look. Yep, it does say A here. Have a look on that circuit board, is A there. And we have the switch next, which goes into H. There's an H on that, and there's an H on the circuit board. There we go. I've got some more lights somewhere. I can't remember that I did have them. I've got E right here, and E on the circuit board is right there. They're noted quite properly. 1, 2, 3 lights working, yes. Then we are putting this button and the speaker on, and that's F and B. We turn that on and press that button. Alright, we get that one. Then we're going to do something a little bit strange. We're going to switch that off. We're going to put some water in here. Then we're going to get that one out and put that in G, and that one in C, and you only have D left. Might as well put that in as well. Let's put U in as well. Let's get that out. Turn that one on. All lights are working. There we go. There's a little jet stream of steam, as you can see. Maybe you can see it. I don't know if you can, but I can see it. There you saw it. That's really nice. Don't know how that works, but I don't suppose it takes a lot of energy. Let's clean that one up. So that's that stage done, 46. We put those lights in as well. I think, yep, we do need to change and put that battery back in there. That's the last thing we do. We did have some screws, so it would have been strange if we've not used any of those screws. Let's get a good screwdriver out. That is really nice how that steam thing worked. Just put a few drops of water in there and that thing goes. Wow. Alright, it's all in there. We're going to take the batteries out. I don't think we're going to do anything anymore with that, so we don't want any electricity going through this. Yes, good morning guys, it's chai this time, not English. I love my chai in the weekend. Oh, hydration, hydration, hydration. Alright, this is the next stage. Alright, so we've got some stickers, a window in stage 47 and another window. As you can hear, that is metal. So we've put those little stickers on. Now we're going to take them off one by one and put those windows in. We do need to neaten them up a bit. Alright, that's one sticker off. I don't like the way that's orientated. Let's try and do this bond properly. And that is what we should have after this stage. Yeah, I know, there's nothing happened. Well, the more or less that looks like it. We're only on 18 minutes and I'm going to the last stage. Oh, I didn't see those little pieces. There we go. In 48, last stage in this pack. They're calling it kits, by the way, so I should be calling it kits as well. We're gonna have a quick look at these, because if I remember from the last time. So we're going to the other side and put some very tiny stickers on. Which side do they? Well, they put it on the inside. All right, that should, as you see there, work fine. As you can see right there, that's in. Okay, I'm gonna put a bit of my favorite glue in those spots. Now we're gonna put it onto this one, like so. You can only put it in one way because of the screw holes being and screw points being where they are. All right, and that is what we have in this issue. We made that cabin and put those cables together. So we're going to put that cabin to the side because I think we're going to be using it in the next few stages. But that is the next video, so thank you very much for joining me and making that beautiful cabin there with a little bit of wiring inside, or piping in this case. And we saw that little steamer work properly. But thank you very much for joining me again. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and I hope you will join me next time on any of my builds. May it be the ones you see in the back behind me, or the ones that are on my channel. Thank you very much. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.